Hi everyone, welcome back to Conversion Chef YouTube channel. Are you thinking about Epacket countries you can deliver your products to in 2021? Well, in today's competitive market, almost every business owner is thinking to be abreast and innovative in all aspects, especially in shipping products to their customer facility. Buying products from the countries like China and Hong Kong has been easier with the e-packet shipping. By beating China's EMS, the e-packet delivery system makes the shipping process quicker. E-packet delivery system is offered by 3PL service or the third-party logistics providers that takes care of products from warehousing to delivery. Along with this, e-packet shipping has a quite unique tracking system that allows users to track their products. So e-packet is a concept that has many roots. So without any further ado, let's just figure out what it basically is. So here are the supported e-packet countries you should know about. So the list of countries that are benefited from the e-packet delivery system are growing on a consistent basis. Some countries have their own rules and regulations for shipping, as we all know. So when the US Portal Services or the USPS officially made a fully functional shipping service between eBay, China, and Hong Kong Post, such a delivery system came into existence. However, if you are a citizen of the United Kingdom, France, or the United States of America, you have to abide by a specific set of rules and regulations. So I will post here the different rules and regulations. Just have to read it. Pause this video and read the different rules and regulations. So now that you have seen those countries where specific rules and regulations are imposed, here's a chart of those where no such tough rules exist. So some of them are the Australia, Canada, Brazil, Spain, Russia, and many more. I'll post it here and just refer to this chart. So at some locations, the e-packet system is working on a trial basis. For example, countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, and Kazakhstan. As per updates, it seems that regular delivery in these countries will be established shortly. So here are the different requirements to use e-packet delivery system. So before sending parcels or packages via the e-packet delivery system, a few factors and requirements need to be considered, from handling the product with the necessary care to safely delivering the product without getting any damage. So the United States Postal Service requirements have a crucial role. So let's take a look at the requirements followed by e-packet for package or parcel transit. So the first one you have to consider is the weight of the package. So the weight of the product which has to be shipped with e-packet should not be more than 2 kilos. So the total of 2 kilos weight includes everything related to the product such as filler material, the product itself, your shipping bags, and any other materials if available. So the basic requirement of 2 kilogram weight is fixed across all countries that get the e-packet delivery system's privilege. However, Israel is exempted with the liberty of shipping around 3 kilos of total weight. The second one is the value or pricing. So the basic requirement of the product's value, which is about to transit via e-packet, should not cross over $400. Simultaneously, a consumer should keep this in mind. E-packet delivery offers damage compensation that is higher than other shipment methods. The third one is your minimum and maximum package size. So what would be the minimum and maximum of your package? So a regular packet length should be between 14 centimeters to 60 cm, and the width of the package should be 9 to 90 cm. So the package or a parcel length should be between 10 centimeters to 90 centimeters for a rolled packet, Similarly, the diameter of the circular package should be between 17 centimeters to 104 centimeters. So that's a lot of numbers, but I'll post it here. However, for both types of packages, a difference of up to 2 millimeters is permitted. The next thing we need to discuss is the time taken for delivery of the e-packet, which is very important. For any product, shipping time can vary depending on several external factors. And some of the factors includes number 1, the shipping destination or the country. The second one is the holidays in the country. And the third is the unavoidable situations such as natural calamities or accidents. So these 3 factors can delay the shipping process. But if we compare to Hong Kong and China's other economical shipping options, Epacket ensures to deliver your package on or before the estimated delivery. Also, one important thing to discuss is how to track your Epacket delivery. So tracking shipped parcels or packages using Epacket delivery is one of the greatest benefits, which cannot be matched with other shipping service providers. So before utilizing the order tracking system of Epacket delivery, make sure you have obtained proper Epacket tracking codes for your shipment from the supplier. So with the valid track codes, tracking becomes easy through the official website of EMS or USPC. Using the official site of China EMS, one can track their shipments when it gets inside China. Similarly, by using the USPC site, shipments in the land of the USA can be tracked. Besides these websites, consumers can also choose third-party sites to track their shipments via the Epacket delivery system. So here are the list of third-party websites. So you can check them: the Package Mapping, Aftership, Package Tracker, and 17 Track. Now that we know all these things about the Epacket delivery, what are the different pros and cons of Epackets? So every shipping service has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. And here are the list of pros and cons of using the Epacket delivery system. So the pros, the first one is it has a faster shipping. Usually it takes months to ship products from China to the USA, but with Epacket, the delivery takes place within 3 weeks, which is faster than the regular one. The second one is relatively cheaper. Epacket shipping system reduces the shipping cost of the smaller products significantly, especially when we're talking about shipping products from China or Hong Kong to the USA. So if you're a buyer or seller, Epacket could be your favorite as it offers lower prices than standard or traditional shipping services. Third is the door-to-door tracking system. As we have discussed earlier, it has a tracking system. So Epacket provides a facility for tracking orders without charging any extra dollar from its customer. And consumers can make use of EMS and USPS tracking systems for tracking their Epacket shipment. And lastly is the sense of security. Customers will always have a sense of security as Epacket offers a service of free returns on undeliverable items. And guess what? This offer comes with no additional charges. So that is a great feature of the Epacket delivery system. Of course, with the advantages, everything has a disadvantage. And the cons of Epacket delivery, number 1 is the product limitation. Unlike other shipping methods, those shipments that don't fit under the Epacket requirements can't be in transit. So consumers need to go to the old traditional shipping method. And second one is the limited geographic coverage. The Epacket delivery system covers only 35 countries so far. As compared to the other shipping methods, it still needs to cover a lot. So now that we have discussed everything about Epacket, so what are the countries that has Epacket delivery system, the pros and cons? Last question, is the Epacket delivery system worth it? So one of the key benefits of the Epacket delivery system is relatively lower prices and blazing shipping speed. So on top of everything, I can undoubtedly say that utilizing Epacket delivery will significantly improve customer conversion rates and the customer experience. So the need for Epacket delivery rose up as an alternative to China EMS. After all, being a serious business owner, anyone would go for something as smooth as Epacket delivery system. So with all these great features, the Epacket delivery system is definitely worth trying as it reduces the total number of unhappy customers. So that's it. That's everything about the Epacket delivery system. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!